Good morning, business, marketing technology pathway students, freshman multimedia. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie up and finish our stop motion project. So I went over a few editor options today. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple editor that's in Windows called Video Editor and how to kind of put your project together with music and sound effects. So our entire project, what we need first and most importantly, make sure that you have 500 to 700 pictures so that you have a non-choppy, at least 30 seconds long stop motion video with a story. And you will need an intro, so a title intro of some sort, the actual video project itself in the middle, and then credits at the end. Then our post-production elements are going to be some sort of background music, which you can get from Bensound or Purple Planet, or even if you put together a song you like in Soundation, you could use that too. Sound effects, I'm going to show you at least one website that lets you download absolutely free without having to sign up. And you can also do some voiceovers or speech bubbles within that video too. So let's get at it.
This is how you get your videos or your pictures out of Stop Motion Studio, and I believe this is going to be true for both Android and iOS or Apple. So you go to your app here and you find the clip or clips that you need, and the one that we've been doing in second period is this one here. So I'm going to long press it, and by long pressing it I get this share button, and I'm going to be able to export this movie. So I'm going to do that, and I can actually save it into my Google Drive, which I will do. And I want the HD 1080, and it's going to save my video just like that, so it'll process it, and then your Google Drive stuff will pop up so that you can name the file and put it into a folder that you would like. So let's see if this will process quickly enough for me to show you that process. Yes, so now we go in here and we're going to call this Stop Motion Burger, because that's what it was. It was the assembly of a hamburger, and that way I'll be able to find it in my Google Drive quite easily. And it's going into my BHS Night account and into my Drive folder. Then I'll save it, and that's it. I will see it in my Drive, and then from there we're going to put it into a video editor, and that will be the next part of this video.
Okay, so now that I've transferred my pictures and video, the raw video from our phone, Stop Motion Studio, it's in my Google Drive. I found it here. I called it Stop Motion Burger. There it is. So now I'm going to download it from Google Drive, and that way it's going to be in a MP4 file format. And then let's go see how it works here in Video Editor for making our complete video. So I can do new video project. I can I'm gonna title it add video from PC, should be in my downloads. There it is, and I can do it right there. Since I only have the one clip, I can drag it down to the storyboard. I can add a title card if I like. And so this could just be a very simple title card. I can come up with a much better title than this, but for now I'm just going to call it The Burger. And we'll call that done, or I can see different views that I might like. And I might go, do I like this one or this one? I like this one, so I'll go like that. So that's 3 seconds. I've got my video in between. I can change background color if I'd like. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. And now the next part is actually getting some sound effects and a music track on here. So up here you can see background music and custom audio. So custom audio is how you're going to get sound effects in there. But first, let's do background music. They have some that you can choose from, so you can go through there and play these and see if there's one that would work for your video. Or you can go to the websites that we've used before, like Purple Planet or Bensound. Has some free stuff. Or if you've made a sound in Soundation, like a song that is long enough for your stop motion video, then you could even do that. So if I wanted to actually process this song after I was finished with it, then that's something that I could use for my video. So going back to the video editor, I'm just going to, for the sake of putting something in, I'm going to choose one of these so that it has the background. And if I wanted to do custom audio, this is where I'm going to put my audio files. So we're going to need sound effects. So the sound effects that one of the websites I found that was pretty good for free, like absolutely free sound effects, is this website here, which I'll attach to the assignment. And you can search up your sound effects. So in our burger one, we have a grill, so I downloaded that already. We have a cat chasing a mouse, so maybe I'll do a cat meow and find that. So cat coughing, sniffing. Is this even good? Yeah, that'll work. So you can download that as a WAV or an MP3. I think both will work. And so I'll go to Video Editor and add a couple of those. This was the dog barking, so I'm just going to throw that in just to show you how to put that sound in. And then over here, that's where it's going to be. If you needed to change that, you can change where the sound effect is by doing this. So instead of it playing at the beginning, it'll play way down here. That's how you can get some sound effects in there. So if you like where it's at, you say done, and then once you've put all your sound effects, you've got your title, you're going to put some end credits at the end as well, and then you'll finish the video. And it asks for 1080p, and then you can export it. Let's see what the options are. That's nothing, so we'll export it and we're good to go. And that is the free video editor in Windows. In a separate tutorial, I will show you the same process of doing this video with music and sound effects and everything else in the program OpenShot, which is more of a video editor feel than this very, very simple program, which will get the job done in a very simple way. So that's it. See you in class. I'll help you with this process throughout the next 3 days. This is due, the final project, this Friday. All right. See you back in class.